It's 10 a.m. in the morning and we are leaving for a new destination. So right now I am in Torino. She is my sister. I think you know her. She has a YouTube channel, Samrita in Torino. So we are really excited. We are going to explore a new place. The name of the place is Avigliana and something is happening outside. It's snowing. Yeah. I think you guys know this expression like when it snows. And when I am going to explore a new place, I am really excited. So it's snowing in Torino and also it's snowing in Bologna also. So why miss this day? So we are ready to explore a new place. So the total journey from here is approx 2 hours 20 minutes. So right now I am at San Remo bus stop. From here we will go to Georgia. I think is the name of the stop Georgia? Gorizia. From there we will go to Avigliana. So we forgot to buy our bus passes, so we have to buy a urban and suburban bus pass, but we are still not sure. So it's like a whole day bus pass. It's like for 4 euros. Let's see. So there is a Tavacheri nearby. We are going to get a bus pass and we are like early by 20 minutes, but we have to hurry because Rivoli, the alternate buses are like 4 hours different, so we can't miss that 12 o'clock bus. So the people at Tabacheri, they were also confused about which tickets we should buy. So we couldn't buy that Urbano and Suburbano ticket. We had to buy that extra Urbano ticket. So we got 4 tickets and also they had to validate the tickets at GTT. So you can use those tickets only today. So now we have to rush because only 5 minutes left to get our first bus. And also it is snowing quite heavily now. Oh, really excited. So we have reached Sebastopoli. From here we have to go to the Gorizia bus stop. From there the bus will go to Rivoli. So earlier we thought that is our bus stop, but you always have to check which is the next stop and confirm it with the Google Maps. So here it is showing that the next stop is Rovereto and we have to go to Francia. Okay, so we will be covering like 30 stops here only. So we have arrived in Rivoli, but the name of the stoppage is Francia and it's snowing quite heavily here. You can see. Oh, we are really excited and like we have arrived 30 minutes before. So after half an hour we will be boarding that 1087 bus, and this place is also completely outskirts, and the 1087 bus will be taking our more outskirts. So that's a special bus like which travels from region to other region. And this place is snowing very heavily. Are you excited?
Yes. Are you sure that we will go?
भाई लोग कॉफी तो पूरा मस्त था, और ये लोग पहले बार देखा कि कॉफी के साथ पानी भी दिया. पानी नहीं, दिस इज कॉल्ड फ्रिजांते. तो फ्रिजांते इज लाइक सोडा वाटर इन इंडिया वी से. तो बहुत मस्त बढ़िया कॉफ़ी था. तो अभी चल रहे हैं स्टॉपेज की तरफ. तो जनरली फ्रॉम टोरिनो वी कैन सी द Alps from everywhere, but as today it's cloudy and it's snowing heavily, so we can't see the Alps, or else like from every road you could see the Alps there. And we validated our pass there. So these are extra Urbano buses. So you have to get those tickets from Tavachai and ask for extra Urbanos. And I also asked the driver about the return bus. He said yeah, from 3 o'clock he will get the return bus to here. And we're really excited. And this bus will be taking us more outskirts toward the place Avicliana. So let's see how it goes. तो बस से पहले उल्टा साइड चलना शुरू कर दिया. मैंने मैप्स फॉलो किया, फिर देखा कि बस उल्टा साइड जा रहा है.